Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, is brought to you by Magic Creeper, the most versatile creeper ever. Clamp Tight, the clamp making tool. Tribotex, make your engine last longer. AP Laser, leading the way. And by Dragonfire Tools, industrial workbenches with integrated tool storage.
When you go to DragonfireTools.com, you're going to find the highest quality tool storage solutions. You're also going to find a tremendous variety, lots of drawer configurations. Lou, how do those items all fit into a system like this?
Well, as you can see here, we have a 7-foot workbench, and we have one of our 9-foot 4 1/4 workbenches, and also one of our locker cabinets. Above our 24-drawer 7-foot workbench there, we have 3 wall cabinets, which are the exact same length as the workbench. And over here, we have 4 wall cabinets, which is the exact same length as a 9-foot 4 1/4 workbench. To be able to put those together into a corner without having an actual corner unit is tough, right? Because you're gonna have a blank space there. So this year, we came out with the lower corner units and the upper corner units to be able to match up in that type of space.
Of course, it maximizes the use of space, but also gives it a great uniform look. And how important is that to a lot of the professionals you deal with?
A lot of the professional shops that we work with, they want a uniform look in their shop. So rather than having a red toolbox and a blue toolbox and a green toolbox with stickers all over it, okay, we chose and went with the gunmetal gray for the best color configuration because gunmetal gray goes with everything. And it just looks modern and professional.
Now the pros are using this not just because it looks good, but because these are going to take a beating day in, day out. What are some of the construction features that are going to make sure this lasts forever?
We're using single and double railed systems on these. Our thin drawers are single railed and rated for 200 pounds, and our deep drawers are double railed and rated for 400 pounds. A lot of the drawers, including the deep drawers and the wide drawers, have top hat gussets underneath for strength and rigidity.
These units from DragonfireTools.com are going to take the abuse of everyday use. They're great for your home. They're great for your professional shop. Again, you can find them at DragonfireTools.com. That's also where you can find a discount code Motorhead. Going to get you free shipping and a discount. Here at NHOU, Joe, you've got 2 signature products. Tell me what the difference is and how they work under my car.
So basically, same product. This one, which is our back in black, has a carbon tint. We had a lot of customers come in and said, hey Joe, this looks great, but gee, I know I'm getting the protection, but if you could improve the appearance while protecting the surface, boom, back in black. So the 2 will give you the same protection, and one will substantially improve the appearance of that surface.
Now we know people are very crafty, and you've got to believe that people have come up with other ways to use this stuff. Where are some other applications for this that you've learned?
Well, so it is engineered for that application, but honestly, any metal surface would be pretty close to that application. And we've found people that are having very good results using this in HVAC systems, not only on the metal surfaces, but the wires, because it's non-conductive. It is actually going to stop corrosion on the wires, and it helps a little bit with mice as well. We find it on boat trailers. They'll do the rear end of the vehicle, especially, that's always going into the water. It is a great agricultural use on farm equipment. It helps hay equipment, different types of lawnmowers or brush hogs.
And you touched on it, mice have been a problem, and you've developed a new product specifically to address that.
Yes, so that was from one of our great customers who came in and said, hey, listen, this is a big problem. One of the ways I solved it was with a menthol. I know that that is a deterrent, so what we did was we added menthol to our clear oil, and we also know that the oil is a deterrent, because in my shop, when we spray vehicles, these mice, if they're in there, they're gone. And everyone had mice in our complex except us, and it was because they did not want to step on this oil. Well, you combine that with the smell, and we've added one thing else additional, which makes it smell like a cat urine, which is predatory. It's a very effective way to keep rodents out.
Well, you can keep the mice away, you can keep the rust away, and you can find out how at NHOilUndercoating.com. We are grateful to New Hampshire Oil for sponsoring Motorhead Garage, and we're grateful to you for watching us every single week here on Motor Trend. We're going to do it once again next week. We hope you join us then. And remember, if you have a product you want to see on Motorhead Garage, email Jeff at masterstv.com. Until next week, from our entire crew here at our Dragonfire Tools studio, we'll see you next time on Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. So long.